In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the reconciliation summary report in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and make this task a breeze. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. On the main login page, you'll find the sign in option. Click on it, and if you haven't already selected QuickBooks Online as your service, make sure to do so. It's important to ensure you're accessing the right platform because QuickBooks offers various online services that you might not be intending to use. Once you're on the QuickBooks Online sign-in page, enter your credentials. This typically means typing in your registered email and password. After that, click on Continue. If you happen to use multi-factor authentication, be prepared to enter your verification code. This added security measure ensures your financial data remains safe from unauthorized access. Next, you'll need to navigate over to the Reports tab. This is where all of your financial reports will be located and organized for easy access. You will find this tab on your dashboard, usually towards the left side, among other primary QuickBooks functionalities like expenses, invoices, and so on. Once in the Reports tab, use the search bar to type in Reconciliation Report. QuickBooks Online is equipped with a powerful search feature that makes finding reports quite straightforward. As you begin typing, the options will filter themselves, narrowing your results quickly. After you see Reconciliation Report pop up in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This is where you can review details such as beginning and ending balances, transactions that have been reconciled, and those that haven't. It's a comprehensive spot to see how well your books align with your bank statements, which is crucial for ensuring accuracy in your records. To recap, after logging into QuickBooks Online, you'll head over to the Reports tab, utilize the search function to locate the reconciliation report, and then simply click to view it. This process not only helps streamline your accounting efforts, but also aids in catching discrepancies early so you can address them before they become bigger issues. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to access your reconciliation summary report in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps should help keep your financial data aligned and your business running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates on managing your financial data effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.